Hi Libra, this is your next 7 days reading starting from 7th of August to the 14th of August. I am going to look at this time period for you to understand what energies are coming in your life at this time. This is for the collective of Libra. Libra collective can have Libra Sun, Libra Rising, Libra Moon, and people having substantial Libra in their chart. You could be of any sign, but you could be having Libra as a special placement. So, on your mind, in your environment, is the Princess of Wands. Princess of Wands environment means good news will be coming to you, fun trips, happiness is coming to you. So, environment will be light-hearted and there will be some energy coming back. You could be feeling a bit closed with the Four of Pentacles in the reverse. Four of Pentacles in the reverse can mean that situation in your life where you could be wanting safety, security. It could be, you could be feeling under threat. You could be feeling that there is something disturbing happening around you. You could be feeling you are not yet secure. You could be feeling a sense of abandonment in this time period. But with the Justice card, which is also signifier of you are in a good position. Justice will be given to you. Karma justice will happen to you. Keep your karma right. With the Seven of Wands, you will be defending your position. Some of you could be feeling a bit insecure because of money situation, insecure because of family feud, because of divorces or problems in money of some sort. You can also feel a bit out of your balance because of your health. But with the Justice card and the Seven of Wands, you will be doing fine. You will be able to get justice. You will be able to have favorable judgments towards you. Balance will come back to you, Libra, and this is showing your Libra energy of perfection, fairness, and balance. So there are things happening with the Chariot and the Hangman's. You or someone close to you could be sacrificing a movement forward. It could be a travel to some place. You could be resigning, sacrificing. You could be abandoning uh, a vision that you had seen. So childhood dreams could be abandoned in this time period, or something that you had thought of will not be taken forward. With the Queen of Swords energy, I am seeing this sacrifice is made with reason. This is made with reason, and you have decided to abandon something or take a side seat in a wedding, in a marital situation, or you could be sacrificing yourself for a certain cause. With the Queen of Swords, you know what you are doing because you are in a very sharp mind in this time period. Some of you are sacrificing it for a marriage, a long term situation, or some of you are sacrificing for singlehood, getting yourself out of a marriage situation, partnership situation. Partnership situations are not going to be very good in this time period because um, uh, there could be problems with partnership. But with the ninth of August, Juno will enter Libra. Juno is a sign of partnerships, so there could be delays, but ultimately you will get to a situation where your partnership is established because of your uh, resignation from resignation, or leaving something to achieve another goal. It could be material comfort, material situation, safety, security could be more important to you than a than an ambition, maybe for some of you. So in this time period you are going to see the long term and then decide. You could be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a long term situation that can give you great happiness with the 10 of cups. So your child, your some male energy around you, who could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, you could be connected with that person, or a long term situation of money growth, uh, for which you are going to take a delay or a sacrifice. Six of Swords is telling me if you were going through issues in your life, you are going to tide over that, and in the near future your person who is close to you, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy, or a Cancer, or a Pisces, or a Scorpio in your life, or a Leo, you, they will also tide over the situation. Benefit for all will happen for them in this time period. In this week there could be downloads coming to you regarding your situation. You might be going through suspense moments, tower moments, difficulties or surprises that are coming to you out of the blue, but judgments will be taken correctly and decisions will be taken. Divine intervention will take place, which will be mm, giving you a safe path, giving you a favorable path. So ultimately movement can happen, forward movement can happen, changes can happen, fuel and fire can come back to you by the end of the week. However, around you in underlying energy is some kind of secrets or things that are not revealed to you. A reunion was not so good, or a healing situation is not happening because of unnecessary fears or tensions. With the 10 of Swords, there is a karmic ending on your path for many of you. So, there is a material situation which could be sticky, which could be troubling you. Codependencies of long terms are affecting you in this time period. However, someone will be showing you charm. With the Knight of Cups, someone could be coming and rescuing you in this time period. This could be an energy which is coming and giving you love. Eight of Pentacles and the Five of Wands is your outcome. So this is telling us that small problems, obstructions, family feud problems, health problems could be overcome with Eight of Pentacles. Efforts will be made by you. You will be making some efforts, routine, medication, treatment, work of some kind, craft of some kind. It is going to tide you out of difficulties in this time period. So there is a journey which will happen for some of you, or someone will be coming or going away from you. A main female energy is around you, daughter, sister, wife, could be mother, aunt. Someone is going on a journey. A couple is around you, or you could be the main female, you could be getting married to someone, or a marriage situation is the topic of discussion around you. Bad health of someone, or you yourself is troubling you. Love could be in doubts for some of you, but it is going to come to you. So there is a problem, but that problem will be overcome. So let's see some romance angels card. So reconciliation can take place with effort. With the Eight of Pentacles, efforts will be made. Someone from your past is returning to your life. So reconciliation of some sort will happen in your love life. Give your relationship a chance. So do not be too strict. Work on your partnership. Work and effort is required. Pay attention, however, to the red flags. So the signs are cautioning you. So be careful about a love situation. You will be developing romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. So This is what is being said regarding love life. So you could be sacrificing something for someone. You could be also stuck in material situations, or they could be bothering you in this time period. You could be codependent on someone, or shared finances could be troubling you. But with the justice, presence of justice and the chariot at the end of the reading and judgment, things will work out for you with your own effort. That is what I am seeing, and also with your own discretion. That is what is being seen. So if you have liked this reading, Libra, please like, share and subscribe. Write to me if you want a personal reading. My email id is there in the description box. I will let you know how to book my readings once you show your interest. And please do watch these readings, which I keep uploading for you from wherever I am. Thank you so much. Bye bye.